Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rama Ranjankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Today I am going to explain Chapter 3 Television Fundamentals and TV Transmitter Part 1. Learning outcomes of these topics are audio fundamentals, VSP transmission and bandwidth of color signal. Audio fundamentals. First is aspect ratio. So aspect ratio of an image is the ratio of width to the height. It is commonly expressed as two numbers separated by colon. So that is 16:9. So where for x is to y aspect ratio, the image is x units high. Image continuity. While televising the pictures elements of the frame by means of scanning process, so it is necessary to present the picture to the eye in such a way that an illusion of continuity is created and any motion in the scene appears on the picture tube screen as a smooth and continuous change. So to achieve this, the advantage is used, that is the persistence of vision, and because of these characteristics, this image remains on the nerves of eye's retina till the 1/16th of second, and these characteristics helps to create the image continuity on the screen. Horizontal scanning, that is scan the picture horizontally, or it is called as scan or resolve the picture details horizontally is called as a horizontal scanning. The sort of there are two types of scanning are there. One is moving from left to right, so that it produces the trace, and if you are moving back, that is from left to right, right to left, then it produces the retrace. So up and so for this purpose, sawtooth oscillator is used. Similarly, for vertical scanning means scan the screen vertically. So the sawtooth current in vertical deflection coils moves the electron beam from the top to bottom of the raster at a uniform speed, while the electron beam is being reflected horizontally. So beam produces complete horizontal lines one below the other while moving from top to bottom. So as shown in figure C. So here also the vertical trace is there and vertical retrace. If the screen is moving from top to right, top to bottom, then vertical trace is produced, and if you are moving from bottom to top, vertical retrace is produced. So this is a diagram for horizontal and vertical scanning. Horizontal resolution, capability of the system to resolve the maximum number of picture elements along the scanning lines, that is called as a horizontal resolution. So it is calculated as, that is, NA into aspect ratio, where NA is the number of active lines. So in case of 625 monochrome system or color system, 585 active lines are there. Into generally aspect ratio is a standard 4:3. So if you calculate, you get the 782. So effective number of black and white lines segment in one horizontal line is calculated by N is equal to NA into aspect ratio into KL. So KL factor is 0.69. So total 533. So horizontal resolution, the capability of a system to resolve the maximum number of picture elements along the scanning lines determines the horizontal resolution. This is a fine structure. The ability of the image producing system to represent the fine structure of an object is known as its resolving power of resolution. Okay, vertical resolution, if you scan the or resolve the picture details vertically, then it is called as a vertical resolution. Vestigial sideband transmission. So this is a diagram for VSP transmission. So here total this is a diagram for vestigial sideband transmission. So here the lines The term VSP stands for vestigial sideband, so it is a kind of amplitude modulation techniques where a part of signal name is called as a vestige and it is modulated with one sideband. So it reduces the bandwidth by factor 2. VSP signals are generated using standard AM, demodulated using either sideband AM or double sideband demodulation, and VSP used for the image transmissions in TV signals. In the field of communications, bandwidth of color signals is restricted to about 1.2 MHz around the subcarrier. So below the figure gives the necessary details of the location of monochrome, color and soundband spectrum within the same channel bandwidth of 7 MHz. Color is a perception, so our eyes see the something and data sent from our eyes to our brains tell us it's a certain color. So object reflects light in different combinations of wavelengths. Our brain pick up on those wavelength combination and translate them into the phenomena we call color. So humans see colors in the light waves. Mixing the light or the additive color mixing model allows you to create the colors by mixing red, green and blue. So light sources of various intensities, the more light you add, the brighter the color mix become. So if you mix all these three colors of light, you get picture pure white light. So TV screens and projectors also red, green and blue, so as their primary colors, and then mix them together to create other colors. Traditionally, the primary colors used in subtractive process were red, yellow and blue, as these were the colors painters mixed to get all other hues. So as the color printing emerged, they were subsequently replaced with the can, magenta, yellow and key black. So as this color combo enables printers to produce a wider variety of colors on paper. Thank you.